if m is 30% of n is 40% of O, and p is 50% of O, then what is the value of m over p? It is given that m is equals to 30%. We can write this 30% as decimal, that is 0.3. So to convert 30% to decimal, 30, we have to write this on a subtraction, that is 30 over 100. When I divide 30 by 100, I am getting 0.3. So O of means it's times n. 0.3 times n is 0.3, and now n equals to 40% of O, that means 0.4 times O, and P is 50% of O, that is 0.5 times O. Okay, now I got the value of m in terms of n, got the value of n in terms of O, and got the value of P in terms of O. Okay, our aim is to find the value of m over p. Okay, now let's plug in the value of m. So we know that the value of m is 0.3 times n. Let me plug in over here. And the value of p is 0.5 times O. Let me plug in over here. Now, already we got the value of n in terms of O, that is n equals to 0.4 times O. We can plug in this value for n over here. Let me do it. So 0.3 times, for n we can plug in 0.4 times O over 0.5 times O. So this O can be cancelled, and here when I multiply the 0.3 and 0.4, I am getting 0.12, and in denominator we have 0.5. Okay, now we have to get up the decimal point. So to get the answer, which is like that we have in the given answer choices. So for that, I have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 100, because in numerator we have 2 digits to the right of the decimal point. So if I want to get rid of the decimal point in numerator, I have to multiply by 100. So, but in denominator, we have just only 1 digit to the right of the decimal point. So anyway, so to get up the decimal point completely from numerator and denominator, I have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. So when I multiply 0.12 by 100, I am getting 12. And when I multiply this 0.5 by 100, I am getting 50. So the greatest common divisor for the numerator 12 and denominator 50 is just 2. So 2 goes into 12 6 times, and 2 goes into 50 25 times. I am getting 6 over 25. Therefore, the value of m over p is 6 over 25. So we find 6 over 25 in option A. The correct answer choice for this question is option A.